Placenta previa is an obstetric complication, which manifests as painless vaginal bleeding during the third trimester, secondary to an abnormal placentation near or covering the internal cervical lobes. With the advancement of ultrasonography, placenta previa is now commonly diagnosed before the third trimester. There are two types of placenta previa, marginal and complete. In complete previa, the internal cervical lobes is completely covered by the placenta. But in marginal previa, the leading edge of the placenta is less than 2 centimeters from the internal os. The exact cause of placenta previa is not known. However, several associated risk factors have been identified. Some of them include advanced maternal age, multiparity, multiple gestations, short interpregnancy interval, previous uterine surgery or injury, previous cesarean section, previous placenta previa, previous or recurrent abortions, smoking and cocaine use, assisted conception, such as in vitro fertilization, and low socioeconomic state. Women with placenta previa classically present with painless, bright red, vaginal bleeding during the third trimester that often regresses spontaneously and recurs with labor. These women will also have features of anemia, such as fatigue, muscle cramps, and pallor, due to chronic blood loss. In addition, they will also have a low blood pressure and an increased heart rate. A diagnosis of placenta previa can easily be made with an obstetric ultrasound scan. Finally, the specific treatment of placenta previa depends on the severity of vaginal bleeding, maternal and fetal status, and the period of gestation. If placenta previa is diagnosed early, before the mother becomes symptomatic, follow up with ultrasound scan. Any woman presenting with vaginal bleeding in the third trimester should be stabilized hemodynamically. At the same time, blood should be taken for cross-matching and investigations such as complete blood count and coagulation studies. After the mother is stabilized, fetal well-being should be monitored with CTG. Then a sterile speculum examination should be performed to assess the quantity and the source of bleeding. If the period of gestation is less than 34 weeks, administer corticosteroids for fetal lung maturation. The mode of delivery in placenta previa is usually cesarean section at 38 weeks of gestation, performed by an obstetric consultant.